Mga unta guys, mga unta ug manggang Bisaya. Manggang Bisaya with spicy nga hipog.
What do we do with books? We read them. Good job. Let's say book with our hands.
Amit ka ay.
Can you find your hands? Hands. This is how we sign book.
Crunchy kaayo kay bago siyang harvest. Napapalit ko og yellow nga mangga anya kay para
Good job.
naman daw green so dapat lang ko nang usa. Hangul magkataog manggang Bisaya.
Say boo, ready? Pika.
Pinaka-favorite na ko. Yummy kaayo. Madak pa ng hipon.
Wow, that's so much fun. Should we do some more? Can you say more? More, say, more, say.
Mmm. Mga unta. Snack after panood ko. Yummy, yummy, yummy.